Welcome to Alaska, and we can see this tree. I'm not gonna fall for it. I'm not gonna fall for it. I'm gonna dance around it instead. What was that? What was that? Alright, I explain what happened. It was simply just sound activated instead. It's a lot more explosive, but it is sound activated. I think it's like a skoc exploding tree trap, a sound exploding tree trap. I don't know. I just go around, I'm just gonna collect things. The only reason I survived was because my armor, if you actually think about it. So, yes. This version of Exploding Tree Trap is a lot more scarier and deadly, as you don't need to chop it down, you just need to make noise. So, yeah, how do we build said trap? How do we build it? So, yes. Now let's get to that part. So we'll need some grass, TNT, skoc, bone meal, any tree of your choice, carpet, as well as redstone dust. And we just need to find a spot. Anywhere will do, pretty much. After we find a spot, we go down. That's accident. My big fingers. Only gonna accident my big fingers. Big fingers. There we go. And then we put the sapling down first. And we just kind of circle the sapling. I need to figure out what the sapling is, because I can't, and it's behind me. So, yes. Go out, and we simply start with this, and yeah. And after we clear a hole, we go find ourselves a corner. And after we find ourselves a corner, we do some, I guess, examining. We examine it. And, yeah. Yeah, you have to put the carpet on top. And, yeah, dark green looks the closest as you can get to, the grass on top. Different biomes, like a jungle biome, might acquire a brighter one as the grass is brighter. So, yes. And we're going to, test it out. Put some redstone dust at the bottom. And then we go put ourselves there, and then we just do this. And it works. So we could remove, the skoc. And then we can fill it in with TNT. And yes, make sure you break the skoc or you will detonate the tree. Or you'll detonate it. And then once it's full, like that, boom. Everywhere. Do not leave an air pocket. You know where you could place TNT, you place it down. Except for the very top layer, where you cover it up and hide the TNT. So you have to cover up the TNT. And yeah. So let's go to cover up the TNT. Like that. That will do. Gotta hide the TNT. And then you go. Yep. Look at it. Looks like a normal tree. Doesn't it? Alright, then you go. And you do this. And you will make it look more natural, I guess. As that's important to get trust to the tree, to get near the tree. Let's face it, probably not going to get chopped down. You just need them to get close enough to the tree. They may not chop it down. But the point of the tree is not to chop it down. It's just to get close and make noise. You might want to cover up that particular spot a little bit more, but you probably find a way to even it more out so it doesn't look blunt-sided. So as you go down, you go in and you just, fill it in, I guess. Alright, after camouflaging it, you put, it's extremely dangerous. You put the skoc down, and then you cover it up like that. Now all we have to do is someone to detonate, and I'll go detonate it to show you what they should do when they encounter the tree. Yep. Perfection. Now you should know how to make the trap. And, yes. Special thank you to me, because